Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So, for today's video, Tagalog pick a card reading. Tingnan natin kung sino yung taong secretly nakikipagkumpetensya sa'yo. Yung tinuturing mong kaibigan, tinuturing mong barkada, pero secretly nakikipagkumpetensya pala sa'yo. Ayaw pala niya na malamangan. Okay? So, this is 1, 2, and 3. Let's see kung anong lalabas. By the way, hindi nakita nyo yun. Shuffle natin. Anyway, this is a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for paid personal readings, just check the description box below. Nandyan po yung contact details ko kung gusto niyo ng personal na paid reading. Okay? So, pause the video if you need more time. Again, this is 1, 2, and 3. I chose 3. Okay. I know. Sino ang secretly nakikipagkumpetensya sa'yo? Naiinis sa'yo kapag nalalamangan mo siya, feel niya, dinudugasan mo siya. Number 1, Knight of Cups reversed, probably Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Not necessarily, but this is someone na parang naiinis siya kapag you cut them off. Pagka wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Yung parang tawag nito, I don't think na directly sa'yo siya nakikipagkumpetensya. Parang ang gusto niya kasi parang laging siya yung focus. Na pagka may sinabi siya sa'yo, dapat makinig ka. And with the Knight of Cups in reverse, maybe this is someone who's too emotional for you. Tapos parang naiinis siya pagka you're focusing on somebody else's drama, somebody else's issues. Tapos pagdating sa kanya, hindi ka nakikinig. So, ang kompetensya dito is more on attention mo. Or parang pwede rin na attention ng lahat. Na parang this may be someone na magdadrama para makuha yung attention ng maybe specific guy, specific girl, or pwede ng public. Pero sa'yo, walang effort. You always get the attention whenever you need it or whenever you want it. Parang you command attention naturally. Siya parang kailangan pa niyang mag-isip ng paraan in order to get I'm hearing tantrums. Like prone to tantrums to pagka hindi na susunod yung gusto. Now, what do you need to do about this? Number 1, 5 of Swords, cut this person off. Dumistansya ka dito. Walang good news, walang good vibes pag ito lagi ang iintindihin mo. Parang always problema, always about him, always about her. Okay? And if you're going to do that, wala nang toxicity, wala nang bigat sa loob kung ano bang sasabihin mo na hindi siya ma-offend, ano bang gagawin mo na hindi siya ma-offend, or ano bang tawag nito? Or sino yung kung paano mo siya uunahin na hindi siya ma-offend. So, let go. Para matuto rin siya na bigyan ng attention yung sarili niya. Kung paano siya makitungo, not just sa'yo, but to the people around him or her. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. Let's proceed kay number 2. Okay, kay number 2. Let's see, kay number 2. Sino ang secretly nakikipagkumpetensya sa'yo? Dalawa actually. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or si Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Not necessarily. But these are people who actually want the attention for themselves. Parang, for some reason, I'm sensing na pasalamat sila hindi ka kay SP. Kasi kung naging KSP ka, talbog tong dalawang to. Parang kung for some reason I'm sensing like the Cinderella stepsisters na parang pinagkakaisahan ka Like, lolokohin nila yung suot mo, yung itsura mo, yung mga plano mo, pagtatawanan nila yung mga ideas mo. Yung ganun. And, yun lang, parang ang advantage lang sa kanila, hindi ka kasi KSP. Pero, kasi ang wants is passion. I'm going to start something. I'm going to assert myself in this specific way. Baliktad eh. So, pasalamat sila yung hindi mo gusto yung papansin efforts nila. Now, what do you need to do about this? By the way, I'm hearing these people will always mock your hair specifically and your makeup. Na parang, ano ba yan? Ba't yan yung lipstick mo? Tapos, mga ilang days after, yun yung lipstick nila. Nabasing ano ba yan? Hindi naman bagay sa'yo yung suot mo. Tapos, 2-3 days after, yun yung suot nila, di ba? So, anyway, what do you need to do about these people? You really need to point out their, insecurities. I'm being drawn to this like this is somebody's, cleavage. Maybe merong isa sa kanila na maganda pero flat. O, edi flaunt mo yung dibdib mo. Page of Cups, this is someone na walang nakikinig sa kanya. Kaya masyado siyang pabida. Masyado siyang maraming sinasabi. So, itong si Queen of Wands, siya yung kailangan ng atensyon, kailangan siya lagi tama, kailangan sa akin kayo makinig, ganun yung energy niya. I-point out mo sa kanya, hindi lang opinion mong importante. You need to learn how to shut up or maybe brush your teeth before you talk. Char. Anyway, if you're going to do that, possible outcome, sila yung victim, ikaw yung unfair. Pero given na yun, pagka nare-resbakan talagang mga toxic, sila victim. So, iyaan mo na kasi these people have their own reputations. People around them already know na they are the assholes, not you. So, it's not your problem. Okay? So, there. That's for you, number 2. Let's proceed kay number 3. Sino yung secretly nakikipag-kompetensya sa'yo? Okay. This is someone, a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. This is someone na, parang, for some reason, I'm sensing someone na either merong parang sa kanya ka nakadepende sa budget or sa gamit or pwedeng mother to, pwedeng elder sister, lola, auntie. Parang basta merong kailangan magpaalam ka sa kanya before niya ibigay ang something. And then, ang always niyang binibigay sa'yo is yung mga pangit, mga patapon na, yung mga nagamit na niya, mga second hand na niya. Let's say for example, this is a mother. Tapos, siguro, nagpapariban siya, nagpapakolor siya ng hair, ganyan. Pero pagka nanghihingi ka, barya-barya lang niya sa'yo. Na parang deodorant mo, poproblemahin mo pa. Kasi wala siyang pera. Pinapagpapaganda niya na. I won't be surprised, number 3, if you're pretty. Like, naturally, classically pretty. Tapos, your mother is always someone who's always conscious about their looks. Tapos, ikaw, hilamos ka lang, okay na. Sa kanya, kung ano nang pinaghahaplas, wala pa rin. Hindi ako makarelate dito, maganda mama ko. But anyway, this is someone na there's either looks or gamit na parang kailangan ako lang yung maganda. Ako lang yung may ganyan, ako lang yung may branded, ako lang yung may mamahaling gamit. Okay, I can relate to this. Pero I won't tell kung sino to. But anyway, yun. Parang ganun. Siya yung secretly nakikipag sa'yo. Tapos pag pinopoint out mo na ikaw branded yung sa'yo, mahal yung sa'yo, tapos pag ako, ganito lang binibigay mo, ganito lang, ganyan. Ang always niyang rebuttal, move on. Tapos na yun. Stop clinging to old issues. Here's tissue for your issue. Parang ganun. Pero yun, parang ayaw niya talaga I'm hearing ayaw niya ng pareho kayo ng sinusuot, pareho kayo ng perfume, Ayun ng ganun. Pero pag may nagustuhan siyang something na sa'yo, tas ginaya niya, hindi ka dapat pumalag. May parang sibling. Anyway, what do you need to focus on? Eight of Swords. Having the confidence na you don't have to rely on this person. You don't have to rely on their opinions. You don't have to follow their advice. Na parang, have your own identity. Kasi baka, isa rin sa kinaiinis niya is baka gaya-gaya ka. Anyway, if you're, ayun nga, bagong panimula. So, parang, isipin mo kung ano yung mga usual mong gamit na nagugustuhan niya. Tapos, switch ka ng style. Let's say, for example, mahilig ka sa pastel. Yan, may lavender, may light green. So, mahilig ka sa pastel, tapos siya, mahilig din siya sa pastel. O, mag-black ka. Mag-gray ka, mag-navy blue ka. Tsaka ka lang mag-pastel pagka magkalayo kayo. Yung ganun. Basta there's something na you need to change and start all over again is in order for you to gain your confidence back. Especially if lagi kanyang ina-underestimate whenever you're looking good, whenever you're feeling good, whenever you accomplish something good or yet better than his or hers. So, bring back the confidence. And if you're going to do that, Page of Swords reversed, magiging obsessed to sa'yo, bakit nagbago to si number 3? Ano bang meron sa kanila? And there's a big possibility they're going to, spread lies about you. Pero, I don't think it will work. Kasi parang may reputation na rin to, gaya kay number 2. Parang may reputation na sila na, sinisiraan niya lang si number 3 kasi napalagan siya ni number 3. Kasi si number 3 mas maganda sa kanya. Kasi si number 3 mas sa kanya. Mas accomplish sa kanya. Yan, palibasa, walang natapos. Or palibasa, walang na-achieve. Ganyan. So, may reputation siya na, if i-compare sa'yo, siya mapapahiya. So, there's nothing to worry about. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. For clarifications or paid personal readings, check the description box. Andyan po yung contact details ko. Bye!